How you doing, guys? Derek here with Dad Guys. I wanted to show you what it looks like outside today. This is Saturday. Man, it is crazy. All right, guys, here it is. Got 20, 30 mile an hour winds, snowing hard. It's pretty much like a blizzard out there, I would say. It is really coming down, man. Sometimes it's hard to see that in the phone, but man, I'm not kidding. Look at that. All right, guys, here it is out front. You can see it is really coming down. We're getting ready to do a donation box giveaway today at the local food pantry. And we hope we can get more people to support. All right, guys.